So let's see how to change the brakes, the rear brakes of the car. So that's the drum mechanism. We open it. You can see the shoe brakes. So basically drum brakes, not the shoe brakes, and then for the front wheels, these are drum brakes. So here we're gonna pull the mechanism out which is holding the drum brakes. They're in pairs. Here we take it out and you can see that spring kind of that's one the handbrake cable. We take it out. That's the hydraulic cylinder, which actually when you press the pedal of the brake, then it pushes both the shoes of the brake, which then puts pressure on the drums, which helps in the braking system. So we are putting it back with the new shoe brakes the same way we took out the old ones, the old pairs. So fitting the springs and screws at right place in the proper way. Because if anything goes wrong, it could be a big concern for the safety of the passengers and the vehicle. So see carefully how we are adjusting and putting the springs and the fitments. Make sure every screw is tightened enough. Every bolt, nut, spring should be tightened in a proper way. Finally, putting the lock back, and that's how our brake shoes of the drum brake they're installed. They got installed. This is the upper side spring. So putting back the cap of the drum mechanism and then bolt it tight. That's it. Good to go.